So I had this idea that I wanted to start kind of a live stream showing some of my photo and video process, and I figured out how to hook up my FX3 in OBS to my computer. And I think it looks pretty good. The fidelity is pretty nice. But I wanted to take it to the next level and add multiple cameras. So I figured out how to take my Xbox controller and make it into a video switcher. So now I can switch different video signals and feeds and overlays. But then I also got this guy, and it can track my face around the room. So I can go and have it follow me wherever I go in the room. And I think it looks really cool. So I can go and sort of share my photographic process about how I do things. I have my camera set up, this little test camera I'm using to sort of be my subject, and you can see everything on the screen there. And then I can see the feed. I can swap around, and I have different camera feeds set up here. I have an extra webcam for a different angle. And then this camera is just going to follow me right around the room. And I think this is going to look pretty cool. All in all, I'm pretty happy with the fidelity on this, and I think this is going to look pretty awesome. And of course, obviously, I have my desktop over here, so I can share that, and I can show how I do my edits or anything else. I think this will be pretty fun.